Welcome back, folks. This is Tommy, Help with Gadgets, and we've got a cool knife to do a disassembly and cleaning of today. This is a Grimsmo Rask, on loan to me from MoPatty. Really appreciate her and allowing me to take a look at this knife, disassemble and clean it, and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and get into it. This is a T8 on the pivot. We'll just keeping my finger on the other end, on the other side. And we'll back that out. And let's see what we've got here. I think that might be it. Look at there, T8s on this side as well. Those are popping out. Okay. And apart it comes. Majorly easy. Look at all the this is why I love taking apart knives. Look at the milling inside the weight reduction milling lightning holes, or whatever you want to call it, that it's there. Also, there's the detent nub there. Look also here, you've got February 28, 2024, which is pretty cool because it was that was just a few days ago, 2 years later. So apparently that's the time there. Proudly made in Canada, Rask, February 2024. That's why I like taking apart knives. You've got all the cool milling on here. This is that clip is held on by a screw there. I'm going to check that screw, make sure that's tight. Okay. All right, we've got the bearings there. I'm going to drop those into the alcohol there. And see, this is different than what I'm used to. And let me take this other bearing out and get that soaking. But look at the two stop pins there. Just something that you normally don't see. And then again, there's on this side, there's also the February 28th, 2024. All right, let's go ahead and wipe everything down. And get some alcohol prep pads here. And get one of those out and start wiping everything down. You've got the little detent hole in the blade there. We'll wipe these areas down. And then we'll wipe off these areas as well, including that detent nub. Let's see if we can give you a close-up of that area. See, pretty cool. All right, wipe this side down as well. I'm going to get a cotton tip applicator in some of these areas where it's not easily reachable. Same for here. Wipe the areas. Get around these. Just cleaning out the junk there as I can. All right, let's get a cotton tip applicator, and I want to get those areas where the bearing goes. I want to get on this side. I want to get on this side as well, where those stop pins go. Whoops. And where that pivot goes there. Grab that blade and also clean out where the stop pins go. And by the way, they're on the edge of the blade. You can see Rask, the number, and the blade steel. So very cool. Alright, so let's go ahead and get a fresh alcohol pad, get my handy tweezers, and pull out these bearings and go ahead and clean those up. I like using a fresh alcohol pad. Just, I don't want you know, the chance of any kind of crud getting into that those bearings. We'll grab this pivot, clean that up, and then we'll grab that pivot screw. And it really doesn't look like there's very little, if any, Loctite on here. I'll put a dab of Loctite on there when I put it back together, but just a really well made knife. Alright, let's go ahead and you can see the V. Let's see if I can show you the V in the right here and here. That'll fit in these, in that V pattern right there, to keep that pivot turned the right way. So in other words, when we put it in here, gets to a certain point, it's captive in there. But those aren't really deep grooves, so you have to just be careful that you get it turned correctly. All right. Let's get the, where'd it get to? Bearing in there, and I'm going to put just a little dab of, I like using Gunny Glide, on each side of it. We'll get a little there, and another bearing there, and I'll put just a dab on each side. I want to put some right up there close to the pivot, let it get down into where the pivot meets the blade itself. Alright, looks like I got everything here. I'm going to put a little dab here on that. Come on. Detent nub there. And then everything should fit together. I'm going to grab that pivot, get a little dip of Loctite there, and get that in place, and then we'll adjust everything. Just kind of snugging it up, not too much, but I don't want that to turn either. And I'm just going to go ahead and pop these body screws in. And let's see where we're at here. Very close tolerances, as you can see there. Oof. All right, let me tighten up just a little bit more. That is the definition of drop shut. When you disengage, you gotta watch. It is very smooth. Alright, so no movement there. There you have it. Disassembly cleaning of the Grimsmo Rask, and very easily disassembling cleaning. It's amazing that some of these higher-end knife makers have really made it a breeze to disassemble and clean their knives. But that's pretty awesome, and the action on it is really good. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't done so. Hope to see y'all again soon. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Really appreciate you watching. Thanks.